Hey, how's it going, guys? Merry Christmas. So I'm going to be walking through a London Spitalfields market, and I'm going to be using the Canon R6 Mark II with the Sigma 85mm f1.4.
That's a good photo, man.
So I thought this guy looked pretty cool. I got a few shots of him already, but the angle just wasn't right. Either I was too close or he wasn't looking, but I ended up getting an angle from far away through one of the stalls, and it was really cool.
Energy sure and sweet. This is the message for you. Singing, don't worry. Sorry.
I really like what they was doing here. They was painting some photos, and I wanted to take a picture of them through the glass. I wasn't so sure if it would work, but
It's so good.
it seemed to have worked pretty good without polarizers. So as I was walking through the market, I see everyone, cooking food and stuff, and this guy looked really cool the way he was chopping up and the smoke was coming through. So I decided to take some photos of him too. Definitely not one of my favourite photos of the night, but to be honest, that's just part of the game. You know, sometimes I go out and I don't even get one photo that I even like. So just being transparent here, you know, it's not a problem if you don't get any good shots that you like. It's just the way it is.
Thank you. Sorry, mate. Thank you.
So this man looked really cool. I thought like the lighting and everything was just perfect, bang on. Really liked his style as well. So I decided to hang around him, see what he's selling, and also take some shots of him.
Oh, we should take one. Oh, look, shit.
These are a few shots that I took that I waited around for, but I didn't film. I thought it would look cool. I really like the style of this man. I believe he sells the hats. So the idea was to hang around his stall and get some shots of him and just appreciate, you know, the style and the swagger that he's got going on here. Wanted to get some shots of him in front of the Christmas tree, and waited around for him, but I was here quite a while actually. But it looks like he was wrapping up, so you know, I didn't really want to interfere too much. So I just stood back, took some shots like a little creep in the background.
You look suave. Sorry.
And then went back and took some more.
Right.
So as I was walking out, there was a storm on this day and it was just blowing around the trainers and it looked really cool. It was crazy. I mean, I see a lot of it. Looked like I was in the middle of a tornado. Look.
This is madness. Is that a Santa? I've got to get a photo of that.
And this is a cool shot actually. I
Santa.
really like, you know, being a photographer, you need to have an eye for these sort of things from far. You need to be ready for it. And I see this guy coming down the road and I was ready for him and I think I timed that perfectly.
Yeah, Santa. Jeez. I'll get overtaken.
And I decided to wait for someone to walk through the frame here.
Yeah, that woman, that's got to do it. Come on.
I love the fact this woman was wearing red. It really, really added to the photo.
I do. Watch out.
I see these couple of people look like they was arguing, but it turns out one of them was really drunk during the festive season and the older man was trying to make sure he doesn't get injured by running into the road and stuff because he was falling everywhere. So yeah, big up to that guy there trying to help him out. It's pretty funny, but it must have been frustrating. And that's the end of the video. I mean, I hope you liked the photos and I hope you all had a great Christmas and I'm going to wish you all a happy new year. Like and subscribe. You can catch me on Instagram, Jameson. I will link it in the comments below and have a great day.